This is Laura's Into the Forest Nature Journal. It has a hard cover, about a 2-inch spine. It's got a lovely finish. She's used a lotion on it to make it feel very leathery and soft. It has 2 signatures. It has a seam binding tie here. Front pocket has your welcome to your junk journal letter we put in with everything. And some ephemera for you to add. Journaling cards with her clustered cards that she makes that I just love. All the sights you'll see as you walk through the forest. There are lots of greens and browns, small animals, plants, little die cut, fussy cut. Skunk here, fussy cut hedgehogs. Boy, someone does nice fussy cutting for her. There is a card here. It goes into this pocket. Some writing space here. She's distressed this side. Put a little fake slide in here as if you were taking it yourself with photo corners. Another one on this side with some writing space. A side pocket here. And a little tuck here with a T card in it. All very right out of your backpack distressed. This, I think, is, this flips open. First flips that way and then that way. So the little squirrel is hidden. And then when you flip it, you get this cute little squirrel hidden away in the trees. Butterfly on this flip. More journaling space. This flips open. And more of her little clusters. Another T card here. Little glassine envelope with a playing card with flowers on it. A larger card here you can write on. It's in this tuck spot. And then there's a little bag behind it with I just love the way she does her cards. All this ripping and clustering. It just flips in the back, and that's on a book page. You have an envelope in here on the other side of the book page. And it flips up. And she has it tied shut like a little booklet. So she's bound it for you. 2 side tags here, again on a book page. Large pocket here. Okay, how did I don't know where that went. Another tag here. And an envelope here with another sideways tag in there. I think I missed a pocket. There must be a pocket back here somewhere, because, yeah, there it is. There, this goes in that pocket there at the top. Some, not graph paper, but ledger paper, a little cluster. This has a flip up. More of these ones that look like little slides. A flip up this way, writing space, some information on your walk. A larger card with some old ephemera on it. A side tuck, a side pocket. It's got a couple little cards in it. With some really sweet little foxes. A clustered page, a butterfly here. You can write on the back. Another clustered page to write on. This flips open. You can write here and part of your forest. Another writing page. And this is a writing page with a little cluster here. We've got a pocket. And then another one here with some writing paper in it. And this is the last of the first signature. Nice, very large pocket that just slips in here, or a very large card, and some tiny tags in this little bottom pocket, ready for you to journal on. The second signature has some, has another little booklet she's bound with some original ephemera, some scrappy bits, and it just slides in here. Writing space here with some flowers on it. A card here that is opens into a double. Again, she's done her distressing that she does that I just think is so well done. We have a little tuck here with two birds cards that are writing on the back. You can write on this page itself. This is a trim belly band, and we have some handmade paper here with some fibers in it, and a bird that you can write on both sides of this, and it just slips under this belly band. And on this side we have a flip up, lots of writing space, a very old book page. Writing space here. This is music paper in German. Another little booklet she's made up that she's bound for you. A little card here with the raccoons. Some squirrels there. Another belly band with from ephemera, ready for you to write on. Corner tuck. These woodpeckers and spaces to write. Writing page with her clustered finishing. This flips open, and it's got a big card inside it. Some original ledger paper here. I'll slip that in carefully. I don't want to. This is more original ledger paper. This flips up. It's an envelope. There's paper in there that she's distressed. She's distressed here. A tea-dyed page that she's decorated. This paper has got fibers in it also, and it just flips in here so you can write on it and enjoy it too. These flip up. Lots of writing space. Bird in flight on some music paper in a German music page pocket. Writing space here, and this flips open. You can write there also. Here we have a pocket with an envelope. Another pocket here. These are, you can open them up. A little writing spot. This is a flippy open spot, and it flips open this way, so you can have lots of spots to write on that. Another large card, and it flips into this pot, this little tuck. We have some sewing pattern here, some little cards into this bottom tuck. Wish I could steal all the little foxes. I just love them. This tuck has a little mink or something, and it opens up that way so you can write inside. She's done a cluster inside. And this is a back cover. It has a large pocket for you. Her die cuts and writing space, and you just slip in here. And this is her Into the Woods for you to sit back and remember your summer holidays or you're hiking in the mountains and enjoy it. Please leave any comments you'd like to make, and I hope you did enjoy this.